What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have with me is the Royal Kludge Rk855 wireless wired dual mode 68 key or 60% key mechanical keyboard. I'm not too sure, medyo dumami na din mga terminology sa keyboard, so ayun, kung ano man term na gusto yung gamitin. So of course, special thanks to Banggood for sending this over for a review. Very nice. And of course, if you haven't heard of Banggood mga kuya, they're an online store based at China where you can find pretty much anything you're looking for. They also offer dozens of payment methods including cash on delivery here in the Philippines mga kuya. So very nice. And coincidentally, they're also having a Black Friday sale. So you already know what the deal is with Black Friday. But of course, easy pa din kayo sa inyong mga wallet and bank account. And last na mga kuya, promise, before we unbox this, I am pleased to announce that I am now a Banggood affiliate mga kuya. So just like with my Shopee and Lazada affiliate link, use my Banggood affiliate link if you're buying anything from Banggood. The link will be in the description. So of course, there will be no hidden charges. And of course, you're helping me out a lot by using my Banggood affiliate link since I'll be getting a small commission of whatever you're buying from Banggood. So yeah, moving on to the Royal Kludge Rk855. So you can buy this right now at Banggood for 3,000 pesos. And actually, even if you're buying this for 3,000 pesos, that's actually a good deal considering this is also a wireless mechanical keyboard. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox the Royal Kludge Rk855. So one thing, this actually has blue switches. You have an option for brown switches or red switches. And it's actually my fault why I got blue switches since I didn't indicate to Banggood that I wanted the red switch variant of the Rk855. So today what I have with me is the black variant. You can also get it in white. And this also has RGB lighting. Okay, so let's take out the keyboard first. Oh, really small. That's what she said. So this is really compact compared to my recently bought Raklam ang light. So it looks like we also have a user guide, user manual, yeah. And behind this compartment or whatever you want to call it is a keycap remover and the USB Type-C to Type-A cable. So yeah, this is pretty much what you get inside the box. So it's been a while since I've used blue switches and they're as loud as I can remember. And these are actually custom blue switches made by Royal Kludge themselves. So I'm just going to grab my Raklam ang light for a bit and show you guys a quick size comparison. And in person, the Raklam ang light actually looks huge compared to the Royal Kludge Rk855. So at least now I can show you guys a quick sound comparison of red switches and blue switches. Lower your volume. Okay, so I'll be using the Rk855 for a bit and come back to you guys with my review of this. A few moments later, and we're back mga kuya. So for the time that I've been using the Rk855, kita nyo naman napaka-cute ngayon naman. It's an overall great value wireless mechanical keyboard. But I feel like this isn't for someone like me, which you'll see why in a bit. So starting with build quality, the Rk855 is solid. There's pretty much no flex or play on the keyboard, and I'm happy to report that the main body doesn't have a glossy finish. And design-wise, again, it's really compact and small at just 12.2 inches wide, 4 inches long, and 1.53 inches at the tallest point. It has an ergonomic, non-adjustable, high-profile design. At the front, you have the centered USB Type-C port. Yes, USB Type-C, mga kuya. At the bottom, we have 4 rubber feet and the switch to turn on Bluetooth. The Rk855 has Bluetooth 5.1 ensuring low latency, and there's no 2.4 GHz dongle for this. If your PC doesn't have Bluetooth, but you can always buy a Bluetooth dongle. There's pretty much no latency and you can't really tell the difference between using this wireless or in wired modes. Really good also if you're planning on using this for competitive gaming. But I highly recommend going for red switches if you're planning on buying this. Again, these have custom blue mechanical switches made by Royal Kludge. So this being the blue switch variant, they're a bit heavy, have a tactile bump, and are loud. These also have ABS double shot keycaps. So this being my first 68 key or 60% mechanical keyboard, I'm not sure about all the terminologies, so just correct me if I'm wrong. But I do know that this is a 68 key layout, so sabi ko nga 68 key na lang gagamitin kong term. It did take me quite a while to get used to the layout. The arrow keys are integrated to the main typing keys. Also, the function keys are integrated into the number row, so if you want to use the secondary keys in white, then you need to hold function first, then press them. You also have plenty of lighting effects to choose from, or you can just choose a static one color option. There's no software available for this specific model, so take note. The LEDs aren't as bright as I want them to be, which I guess is my only real complaint about the RK855. You also have another red LED under the spacebar, which only lights up when charging the keyboard and turns off when fully charged. So Royal Kludge didn't indicate anything about battery life when using this in wireless Bluetooth mode, but my assumption is that this should last you a whole week if the RGB LEDs are turned off, and 3 to 4 days if the LEDs are on. It's simply plug and play if you want to use the RK855 wired, and to use it in Bluetooth mode, just simply turn the switch on, press function plus A or S depending if you're using this with a Windows or Mac device. But if you're using this for Android or iOS, then skip to the next step. You can connect and assign 5 devices to this keyboard, and you can easily switch among them by simply pressing function plus Q, W, E, R, T. So I want to assign my Redmi Note 9 to Q, press function plus Q. The LEDs will blink twice. Now to go into pairing mode, hold function plus Q until the LEDs on Q starts blinking. Search it on your device and simply pair. Fairly simple and straightforward. So using the RK855 is great. I didn't run into any problem setting it up. But yeah, going back to what I said earlier, this keyboard isn't for me. I'm just not a fan of the layout. I know that there are people who like this type of keyboard, and if you're that person, then I can easily recommend this to you. Great quality and great value. So I'm still going to be using my Rock Lam Light for my daily use because I like it better and it has red switches. Of course, if you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the link in the description. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And of course, special thanks again to Banggood for sending this over. Leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to, consider subscribing, and of course turn on notifications mga kuya, because a lot of the people that's subscribing to the channel aren't getting updates on my latest videos. Of course, use my Shopee, Lazada, or Banggood affiliate link if you're buying anything from them. It helps me out a lot. Like my Facebook page for gaming live streams, updates, and other stuff that I don't post on YouTube. As always, stay safe mga kuya. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!